Hi, I'm David from myties.net. In this video, I'll show you how to transfer a necktie pattern to other gifts using Zazzle's online designer. Before we get started on the tutorial, you're probably wondering why someone would want to transfer a necktie pattern. Using the Zazzle online designer, you can take one design and create dozens of products, allowing you to create hundreds of coordinated gift combos. In wedding planning, it allows you to extend your groomsmen's tie pattern to many wedding items. You can transfer the pattern to gift bags and wrapping paper, and to stationery items such as signs, menus, and invitations. You can create bandanas to use as pocket squares, or to provide groomsmen with a combo gift of a tie and a bandana. Also, you can create scarves for bridesmaids. You can create matching gift sets for one person, or you can give the whole family a coordinated look in the same pattern. A tie for him, leggings for her, a backpack for the kid. There are dozens of combinations. For this tutorial, we'll transfer this pattern to a duffel bag, but the general process is the same for any item and for any pattern, including our popular flag pattern neckties. From the Zazzle product page, scroll down until you see the Transfer Design to a Product section. Click on the View All Products box. In the Choose a Product field, enter duffel bag, then scroll down to see search results. Select the picture of the small duffel bag. Now click on the blue Personalize this Design button. Inside the Zazzle Designer, below the picture, click on Design Editor. In many cases, you may need to remove personalization artifacts from the necktie design. In this case, the name band from the necktie has been transferred over. Simply click on it. Right-click and select Delete. If the text and background are not grouped together, you may need to delete them separately. Alternatively, you can select the items and click on the trash can icon in the upper menu. Now click on Layers in the toolbox on the left-hand side. In the Layers panel, select the pattern tile. As you select the pattern tile, you will notice that it is selected on the artboard as well. You will also notice the upper menu becomes activated when an item is selected. In the upper toolbar, click on Effects. In the Image Effects panel on the left, click on the plus symbol to increase pattern size. You may enter a custom amount in the numeral field if desired. The pattern size will increase on the board. This image may be a little confusing. Follow the steps in the order in which they are numbered, and it will make sense. Make sure the pattern tile is selected on the artboard, then click on Alignment in the upper toolbar. In the left panel, change the rotate setting to 0 degrees. You'll notice the pattern changing on the artboard. Now we need to copy the revised pattern onto the other sides of the duffel bag. Right-click on the pattern tile on the artboard and select Copy. Then navigate to the back side of the duffel bag by clicking on the image labeled Back on the right side of the screen. On the back side, right-click on the pattern tile and select Delete to remove the previous pattern. Right-click on the empty artboard and select Paste to transfer the pattern from the front side. Navigate to the left side of the duffel bag by clicking on the picture located on the right side of the screen. Right-click on the empty artboard and select Paste to transfer the pattern. When the pattern is pasted onto the side panels, the system automatically reduces its size. I'm not sure why this happens, but to correct it, enter 4.99 in the tile size so that it matches the other sides of the duffel bag. Always check your pattern sizes when copying and pasting them. Next, right-click on the pattern tile on the artboard and select Copy. Then navigate to the right side of the duffel bag by clicking on the image on the right side of the screen. Right-click on the empty artboard, select Paste to transfer the pattern tile from the left side. Click the front image on the right side of the screen to navigate back to the front side of the duffel bag. To personalize the duffel bag with a name tag, begin by clicking the Elements icon in the toolbox on the left. This will display elements in the left panel. Select the square under Dynamic Shapes in the Elements panel. A large square will appear on the artboard. Resize the square into a background for the name tag by using handles on its sides. Just click and drag to adjust it. With the name tag background selected, click on Alignment in the upper menu and then select the center icon under Align in the panel. Format the name tag using options available in the upper menu. Select Fill Color using Original Color Palette, which the system automatically generates based on the colors in the pattern. Select Line Color and adjust the line weight. All formatting options are in the upper menu, while the name tag background is selected on the artboard. To add a name, click on the Add Text icon in the toolbox on the left. Then click the blue Add a Text Box button in the left panel. Now enter a name in the text field that appears over the artboard and click Submit. To change or select fonts, click on Font in the top menu, then search or select from the font list in the font panel on the left side. To resize text, you can click and drag the handle surrounding the type on the artboard, or you can enter a type size in the upper menu. You can also use the plus and minus symbols next to the font size to adjust by clicking. Next, select the text color in the floating menu above the text or in the upper text menu. Click the color dot to display the color options. Use the controller at the bottom of the screen to increase magnification on the artboard. Click the plus symbol several times. Then click and drag the name over the background using snapping guidelines to center the text within the rectangle. In the Layers panel, while holding down the Shift key, select the name and background element. Hover the mouse over the artboard, right-click and select Group. If needed, you can now adjust the size and alignment of the grouped name tag using options in the Alignment panel. Once that is done, click the blue button labeled Next Design Back to begin the final review of your design. This is the first in a series of checks that will walk you through each side of the duffel bag and present previews for you to check prior to ordering. Check the back side, then click the blue button again. Check the left side, then click the blue button one more time. Check the right side and then click the blue button again. Select the various previews on the left side of the screen to make a final check of your design. Then check the blue button one final time in the upper right-hand corner. Click Add to Cart to begin the order process. A few closing reminders and tips. Remove elements that you don't need, like monograms, name placeholders, or any other tie-specific design features. It's best to rebuild these items for your new products after you have finished customizing the pattern. Resize the pattern tile to fit the new product. A tiny pattern on a necktie might not be appropriate for a larger product like a duffel bag. Keep the tile height and width equal. Occasionally, the tile may transfer with distorted dimensions, and you may need to correct them. Adjust the pattern angle using rotate for what looks best on the new product. Check every side. The tile may import differently on each side. Even check after you copy and paste. One last tip, create a Zazzle account and you'll be able to save and share your work. Please visit myties.net for more tutorials and to check out our necktie designs.